This is either a factory error or it's just glitchy. I honestly can't tell. So I carefully looked at the other circuit board that I have that's the exact same board as this one for the red F-150. As you can see in this picture, I have both of the wires on their respectful battery terminals. Here I am testing the board. As you can see, the middle button does not work. It didn't work when I first got the Ford at all whatsoever. No matter what I tried, it didn't work. I don't exactly know what happened to this red F-150 when the previous owner had it, but all I know is that the description of the item said that it didn't work. And when I got it home, I put batteries in it and it didn't work. Like they said, they were correct on that, but I opened it up and then I had to remove a resistor from one of the battery terminals. And when I removed that, it worked almost perfectly. It just works better with new batteries because it has battery capacity issues too, which isn't good at all. Now I don't know what series this red F-150 is from exactly, but what I have to say is that it's extremely hard to find. Oh yeah, and don't worry, I can always put the original board back into the F-150 and stuff. I might keep it customized, or I might just put it back to its original manner and just leave it like that and just don't use it at all. Cause you know, at the end of the day, it's rare, and you know, I kind of regret customizing it, but at the same time I don't, cause I gave it another life basically. But I sacrificed the Civic. But on the other hand, when I first got the Honda Civic, the doors were broken, and every time I would fix the doors, they would break again because one of the pieces inside the door was misshapen.
Buckle up, it'll be a wild ride.
So I decided to put the Ford back to how it originally was. I don't know if it's gonna work perfectly, but at least it's back to how it was when I first got it. Besides the hole in the bed, which I'm gonna have to patch up somehow. I'm gonna see what I can do about that. And some cosmetic issues like near the bed area also.